What are y'all doing?
Getting the candy out. Like that.
I didn't get it.
Prying the syrup jar out. Okay. Yep. Ooh, that one's kind of trying to fall in, isn't it?
It's trying.
There you go. Okay, get ready.
Right there.
I know.
Okay, now Jordan's prying off the queen strap.
Did you get that? Alright, well, I'll get it. Need to spread. Okay, get it out. Get it out.
Oh, look at that. Turn it around the other way. Ready? Oh, it's off. Jordan.
That was a good one. It would have nails all sticking to it.
Oh, really? So,
Come with me.
it's gonna go with Jordan.
Are we doing the one that we just tapped in the back?
Sure, the far back.
You got two bees hitchhiking on your butt. Far back, right here? Okay.
This one was a hive that died because it was just one of Mom's test hives. It's already got some wax built in there, so that's good, but this wax
And
is
where's
pretty
that fire
crappy.
ant mound
There's
at?
some not so good places.
I don't know.
Okay, you got the package?
Yep.
Okay, let me just
Looking out for
secure the
fire.
queen as best as I can.
Wherever it might be.
Um,
Oh, I see it. It's over there.
okay, I'll get a
Pouring in like water, huh?
Hammer.
A little runway.
I've already got a top.
No, I was going to put this on.
Oh yeah, you go.
Yeah, I might as well put those on because then all I have to do is pop the candy jar and pour it in.
Okay.
Hey, put the lid on.
That's not on properly. Just a little bit.
There we go.
Look at that. 3 minutes and 26 seconds.